Chip Kelly is not going to start Aiden O'Connell, and this is why. Chip Kelly learned his lesson with Philadelphia and with the Niners as head coach, not having an elite or serviceable quarterback. So let's review Chip Kelly's quarterbacks. Right off the bat, he had Nick Foles, who had one good year when Michael Vick got hurt and went down, and then after that, kind of fell off the cliff. He had to start Sam Bradford, who was a first-round bust with the Rams, if you're not familiar, and then obviously Mark Sanchez, who's most famous for being in New York and having the butt fumble. Those are the three quarterbacks he had while in Philly, and that's why he got fired. Nick Foles obviously had some success later down the road with a different coach as a backup winning a Super Bowl, but he was not a starting caliber quarterback. Then, with the 49ers, he had Kaepernick at the end of his career after injuries, after a bunch of drama, and it never panned out, and he was fired for that. I think that's why Chip Kelly learned his lesson, isn't going to roll with AOC, and is going to draft or sign a veteran quarterback that's going to win him some games now because he doesn't want to be a 3-and-out offensive coordinator like he's been in the past.